Hi everyone, it's Angela from Earrings by Angela. Welcome to our channel and being part of our family, you guys. I'm so excited to have you here, especially since we're talking about my favorite subject about having a Zen thing, y'all. It's amazing. I am having so much fun doing this series. So, today we're going to talk about expressing yourself. Now, let me be quite frank. To express yourself takes courage, okay? Because you have to really be willing to put yourself out there. You're being transparent, you're definitely being vulnerable. Um, but expressing yourself takes courage, but it also feels good when you get to express who you are, right? Authentically, creatively, uniquely, and having all that excitement, man, that is priceless. I have fun doing these videos with you guys because I get to express myself and then I get to learn more about you. And that's what's important to me. Um, so I have to tell you this story because it was one of my defining moments. You know, everyone has a defining moment. Remember that episode of Seinfeld where Elaine went to the um office there was a party or it must have been like a holiday party or whatever. And she broke out in that dance where she's kicking her leg up and oh you guys you gotta YouTube it or find it somewhere. But that clip is so hilarious. But here's the thing. Elaine was in her own element. She was having a good old time. She didn't care what nobody else thought. She didn't care who was watching her. You know how they say dance as if no one's watching? Hey, she literally did it, and everyone was watching, and she still did not care. It was about her in that moment. And that's how we should feel every time we feel like we want to express ourselves. It is our moment. And that our moment has nothing to do with anyone else. So if you want to kick your legs up and dance like Elaine, or if you want to, sing to your heart's desire, even though maybe you didn't hit that note the right way, do it. Express yourself. I encourage that a lot. You guys, on some of my videos, you'll hear me doing my little cat call or not my cat call. Um, because I do hiss at people sometimes just to be funny. You know how people say weird stuff, and I'm like, and they're like, what? And I'm like, oh yeah, you were doing something weird. I wanted to join in. I do goofy stuff like that, y'all. I love y'all. But sometimes I'll do my, oh, oh, oh. Sorry if that was too loud. That's a way of expressing myself because that means I am in my moment. My friends know that when I do that howl, oh, the fun is about to start. And yes, I'm sober most of the time when I'm doing that. Oh, it's a good time, you guys. But maybe the way you express yourself is in the kitchen and you're cooking, not, that, not because many of us cook because we have to, but there are others that cook because we actually enjoy the process. For me, because I know you're probably going to ask, well, which one are you, Angela? I'm the cook that enjoys the process. I'm the one, my whole adventure with cooking and food starts when I get to the grocery store or the farmer's market, wherever. And I just peruse and I look for different ingredients. And I'm like, oh, I should try this. I want to make this. Oh, that looks good. I want to learn how to make that at home. And then I get in the kitchen and I put on Pandora and I might listen to some George Benson radio or hey, on a good day I'm listening to The Baby, or the other day I was cooking, I was listening to Rashawn Patterson. Check him out, y'all. He's smooth. Google it, YouTube it. But maybe your expression is just your kindness because sometimes we cannot express ourselves in nonverbal ways that are just as important, right? winking at someone from across the room to let you know, hey, I hear you, I feel you, I agree, I touch and agree with you in a silent way. But expressing yourselves, poetry, writing, dancing, playing sports, singing, gardening, cooking, just being creative, just doing what you need to do in a positive way. Any way you can tap into your higher self and have your zen, right? What do you do that keeps you calm? Is it Tai Chi? Hey, I love Tai Chi. Try it in the water if they offer it. I'm at the Y, so they have it in the water sometimes and the land version, right? Express yourself. Do something for you. Do something creative for others, but just express who you are. Because so much of society is copying what others are talking, in language and movement. Well, you know what? Inspire us to move like you. Remember, what was that? Simon Says. It's like the world is playing Simon Says. Well, join in, express yourself. You know. So that's my Zen thing talk today. Because I just find that to be very important. And if you've always wanted to create jewelry and just haven't tried it, view some of our videos. We're a family. We learn together, right? So do that. Make sure you subscribe so that we can continue having these conversations. And yeah, and then you want to be notified because in the near future, I will be starting to go live. So you definitely want to be notified when that happens so that we can really get to know each other on a more personal level. And you can ask me questions. I can ask you questions that are not just in the comments, but get those live answers and whatnot. Now, if there is something that you need, like you really want my opinion about something or my guidance, and you need just a personal video, you can click my Wisio link. Because I do have a Wisio page where I help you to um, in the areas of mindset or figure out problems with your jewelry. So I'll send you a personalized video answering those questions in a jewelry tutorial if that's what you need. So with that being said, you guys, it's a Zen thing. Happy, calm, harmonizing, balancing, and peaceful day, you guys. That's a mouthful. I said it all. I love you guys and peace and blessings to you.